Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Award. Rated Best Mitre Saw for the Money for Pros by Pro Tool Reviews 2022. Motor. Powerful 15-amp motor to tackle tough cutting jobs with ease. Laser. Laser marker system from Metabo HPT increases cutting accuracy. Fence. Large sliding fence raises fence height to 5.125 in. To cut up to 7.5 in. Crown molding vertically. Mitre. 0 to 57 degree mitre angle to the right and 0 to 45 degree to the left for flexibility. Bevel. 0 to 45 degree bevel angle range to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade and leave the material in place. Scales. Positive stops and indications on the mitre and bevel scale. For easy to read measurements and quick settings. Show more. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Powerful 15-amp motor cuts boards up to 13-3/8 in W and 3-1/2 in thick. Bevel and mitre 45 degrees in either direction. Featuring 9 meters stops. Onboard Class 2 laser guide combines with the LED work light for maximum clarity and precision. Features a 7-1/2 in crown molding nested capacity and a 6-3/4 in baseboard vertical capacity. Includes a 12 in 60-tooth carbide tipped blade, 2 retractable table extensions with work stops, 1 clamp assembly, and a dust bag. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Powerful 15-amp motor crosscuts boards up to 13.25 inches wide and 4.5 inches thick. Unique dual rail slide system allows for compact operation flush against the wall while minimizing the saw's footprint. Bevel or mitre up to 45 degrees in either direction. Featuring 9 mitre stops. Onboard LED cut line guide illuminates your line of cut for maximum accuracy. Includes an 80-tooth carbide tipped blade with a 1-inch arbor. Model BL1280. 2 quick lock table extension support arms. 2 adjustable support fences. 1 quick clamp assembly. A dust port. A dust bag. A carrying handle. And a 2-year warranty. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Stainless steel mitre detent plate of the 12-inch mitre saw blade comes with 10 positive stops. The mitre saw has a precise mitre system and machined base fence support. Precise miter system and machined base fence support cam-lock miter handle with detent override. Delivers quick and accurate miter angles for DeWalt miter saw. Tall sliding fences support 6-3/4 inch base vertically. Bevels 0 degree 48 degree left and right. 2-inch x 14-inch dimensional lumber cross-cut capacity at 90 degree and 2-inch x 10-inch dimensional lumber at 45 degree. Dual horizontal steel rails with innovative clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings for accuracy and durability. Show more.